Regular and professional maintenance of biogas plants is necessary to ensure long-term operation reliability. However, if the fermenter is opened during the maintenance of the agitators, it creates a high gas loss and thus high economic losses. This should be avoided. Therefore, a gas-tight sealing lead-through with an optional maintenance hatch is available for our submersible agitators. The GDD can be adapted to the tank sealing opening. The maintenance hatch closes automatically when the agitator is lifted. This makes maintenance possible without shutting down the plant, and service operations are facilitated as well. With our long-axis agitators, almost the entire maintenance, such as the oil change in the bearing housing or in the gearbox, can be carried out from the outside, which means that no opening of the tank is necessary, and this means no gas loss.